Hello everyone, this is Edwin George from Pageant Empress. In today's video, I'll be talking about my prediction for Miss Supranational 2021. This will be the 12th edition of Miss Supranational Beauty Pageant, which will be held live from Poland in Eastern Europe on the 21st of August 2021. Miss Supranational 2019, Antonia Porsul of Thailand. She will be crowning her successor by the end of the event. As of July 2021, we have 56 delegates confirmed to compete at the upcoming Miss Supranational Beauty Pageant. In this video, I'll be talking about the ladies I believe have high chances of winning the Miss Supranational crown. Before I talk about my prediction, make sure to follow me at the rate Pageant Empress to get the latest pageant news and updates. Now let's start my countdown with the top 15 semi-finalists. In the 15th place, I have Miss Panama. Dallas Santos. She's 27 years old. She's a glamazon beauty, standing at the towering height of 6 foot 1 inches tall. She has a degree in psychology and she works as a professional fashion model. She's the winner of Miss International Panama 2017 and she represented her country Panama at the Miss International 2017, where she finished among the top 15 semi-finalists. She started her modeling career at a young age of 15 years old. She is experienced with self-awareness, focus, balance, and strong-minded woman. Her dedication towards her work is clearly seen through her image, as she has been the face of many important national and international campaigns. In 14th place, I have Miss Slovakia, Kristina Vilaska. She's 20 years old and she has been working as a professional fashion model. She is studying international communication. Her stunning Eastern European beauty with a statuesque body is suitable for Miss Supranational Beauty Pageant. She is one of the tallest contestants in this year's batch, standing at the towering height of 5 feet 11 inches tall, which will help her stand out in a group of beautiful women. In 13th place, I have Miss Poland, Natalia Balika. 22 years old, she's a medical student, and Natalia is passionate about modeling, singing, and sports. She describes herself as an open and self confident person, and she always pursuing to achieve her goals. She loves to take up challenges in life and being a part of the Miss Velasco Polaska province competition, which was one of those where she met new people who have inspired, motivated, and supported her. As the host delegate of Miss Supranational 2021, Natalia has expectations to perform well and give warm hospitality of Poland and the Polish culture to all the delegates. In 12th place, I have Miss Venezuela, Valentina Sanchez. She's 26 years old. She's a radio and television producer as well as an international business expert. She is the winner of Miss Teen New Jersey USA 2014 and she placed as fourth runner-up in Miss Teen USA 2014. She was also a part of Miss Universe Venezuela 2020, where she finished in top 5 finalists. Valentina is a mental health advocate and wishes to spread awareness about the same in her country. After losing her mother to bipolar disorder, she wants to make a change in her community by raising awareness about the importance of mental health. She has shown immense confidence and determination towards winning the first crown of Miss Supranational for Venezuela. In 11th place, I have Miss India, Avriti Chaudhary. She's 23 years old. She has graduated with a degree in business administration from the Prestige Institute of Management and Research in India. She was crowned as Miss Supranational India in Miss Diva 2020, which gave her the opportunity to represent India in Miss Supranational 2021. Miss India is friendly, charming with good communication skills, which will be her biggest advantage towards winning the third Miss Supranational crown for her country, India. Now let's talk about my top 10 finalists. In my 10th place, I have Miss Brazil, Denise Benicio. She's 29 years old. She's in the last semester of law and she aspires to become a successful lawyer. She wants to use her commanding voice towards helping and bringing justice to the women of Brazil. She is not new to the world of pageantry as she has previously competed at Miss Brazil 2014, where she placed as the second runner up. And she went on to represent Brazil at the Miss International 2014, where she placed in top 10 finalists. She is a pageant veteran with many years of beauty pageant experience, which will be her biggest advantage when she competes at the Miss Supranational 2021. She is focused, determined, and independent woman who is pursuing her aim towards becoming the first Brazilian woman to win the crown of Miss Supranational. In ninth place, I have Miss South Africa, Tato Mosele. She's 25 years old. She has graduated with a Bachelor's of Medicine and Surgery degree in 2018 from the University of the Free State in South Africa. She's authentic, dynamic, and a compassionate woman. She enjoys knitting, scarves, trying new recipes, watching makeup tutorial, and performing her skills in her free time. She is the first delegate from Miss South Africa organization to compete in Miss Supranational, and her medical background will help her to inspire and motivate many young people to follow their dreams. Tatu has proven that she is more than capable of becoming a responsible representative of South Africa in a Miss Supranational beauty pageant. In eighth place, I have Miss Czech Republic, Angelika Kostyshynova. She's 24 years old and she's currently studying occupational therapy. She's passionate about beauty pageants, sports, and reading. Angelica wants to use this platform to help people in whatever way she can because she believes that we should do for the people who need it more than we do. For her, the meaning of life will always be her family, self knowledge, and self improvement. Miss Czech Republic is down to earth, authentic, and she possesses girl next door quality, which makes her relatable to many young girls who look up to her as a role model. In seventh place, I have Miss Peru, Solange Hermosa. She's 25 years old and she has a bachelor's degree in business engineering and advanced degree in English. She currently works as an actress and a model. She's not new to the world of beauty pageant as she started working as a model when she was 17 years old. She was recently first runner-up in Miss Peru 2020. Solange started performing arts at the age of 4 and she moved to Lima in 2018 to prepare as an actress. She took workshop at the Estefanio Tostos School, where Angeli de Cardenas was her teacher in Introduction to Acting workshop. Then she trained at the Imaginario Colectivo, where she led the theater workshop with Gabriela Galazios and Improvisación with Dusan Fung. Her previous modeling and acting experience will help her give a spectacular performance in the stage of Miss Supranational. In sixth place, I have Miss Philippines, Dindi Joy Paredes. She's 28 years old and she works as a flight attendant and Air Force reservist. She was appointed as Miss Supranational Philippines title after receiving the highest number of votes from a fellow Miss World Philippines candidate. She has 10 years of pageant experience from competing in Miss World Philippines 2011 to Binibini Filipina 2016 and 2017. She's a perfect example of hard work and dedication leads to a successful future. I can see Dindi placed really high in Miss Supranational 2021 because she is tall, standing at the height of 5 feet 9 inches tall, with a toned body and a strong stage presence. Despite short training period for Miss Supranational beauty pageant, I believe that her 10 years experience of beauty pageant, Dindi is more than prepared to compete at the Miss Supranational beauty pageant, aiming to win the second Miss Supranational crown for the Philippines. Let's talk about my top 5 finalists. In my 5th place, I have Miss Thailand, Queen Benjarat AB. She's 27 years old and she has graduated with a degree in communication arts from Bangkok University. She is one of the co-founders of the Bangkok Charity Soldiers, a charity project that works with friends from 6 different nationalities to focus on the sustainable development in Thai society. She has previously competed at Miss Universe Thailand 2020, where she placed in top 10 finalists. She has a lot of high expectations to win a back-to-back crown for Thailand and to live up to her name of Queen. She is outspoken, graceful, poised, and talented, which she will perform her best in the competition to achieve a back-to-back win for Thailand in Miss Supranational Beauty Pageant. In 4th place, I have Miss Romania, Anna Michela Sironia. She's 24 years old and she has graduated from the University of Medicine and Pharmacy and currently preparing for a medical residency exam. She believes that if you put your heart and mind to work, then you can achieve by anything you want in life. She's a hard worker, dedicated, and a disciplined woman, and she's always encouraged to do better and never settle for anything less than what she deserves. Her piercing blue eyes, striking features, and her incredible beauty will help her stand out in the Miss Supranational Beauty pageant, where they like the glamour type of beauty, and Anna is the perfect candidate for Romania in this beauty pageant. In 3rd place, I have Miss Puerto Rico, Carla Avesvedo. She's 21 years old. She's a certified yoga instructor who has graduated with a degree in Bachelor's of Psychology and she is currently studying for her Master's in Counseling Psychology. She's a professional fashion model and she has previous pageant experience as she has represented Puerto Rico in Miss Teen Mundial 2018. She grew up as a very shy girl who is afraid to speak with very low self-esteem and in general very afraid of being herself. But eventually, she has learned that it is okay not to be perfect and always be poised because it is important to understand that only you will be the one who will live your life. She mentioned, there is no one in this world like you, so give the world the most valuable gift by giving what only you know what to do. Being a certified yoga instructor, she spreads positive energy and promotes a healthy lifestyle. My first runner-up goes to Miss Namibia, Shanique Rabe. She's 23 years old and she's a fashion designer by profession who also holds a certificate in makeup artistry and photography. She was the winner of Miss Teen Namibia 2014 and she went on to win the international title of Miss Teen Continents 2015, which was held in Texas, USA. She is the owner of her own label, Shanique Designs, and she serves as an ambassador of Hope Village Orphanage. She has her own charity named the Mending Project, where she teaches the children, especially girls, sewing skills that she believes could help them in the future. Shanique is not just a pretty face, but she also possesses great leadership quality, which makes her a strong contender for the crown of Miss Supranational 2021. In the last edition of Miss Supranational 2019, Namibia placed as a first runner-up, so Shanique is expecting her best to give her country Namibia the first crown of Miss Supranational. My pick for Miss Supranational 2021 goes to Miss Indonesia, Jihan Elmir Shedid. She's 21 years old and she has a bachelor's degree in science and information technology and she's continuing her study in graphic designing from Abina Nusantara University in Jakarta, Indonesia. She's a mixed beauty of Lebanese and Indonesian background. She's a successful Indonesian actress and a fashion model. She is known for her work advocating for hashtag Act Youth Thoughts, orphanage programs, and She is an Indonesian People's Consultative Assembly ambassador. Jihan is considered as one of the strong contenders for the crown of Miss Supranational. She wants to use her platform to raise awareness and campaigns to helping the underprivileged people of her country, Indonesia. She is an inspirational to her people with an aspirational to become the first Indonesian woman to win the title of Miss Supranational. So this was my prediction of Miss Supranational 2021. Do let me know down in the comment section who is your personal favorite for the title of Miss Supranational 2021. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to follow me at the rate Pageant Empress on social media to get the latest pageant news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really looking forward to see the 12th edition of Miss Supranational 2021 live from Poland on the 21st of August 2021. Thank you once again for watching this video. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye from Admin George. Bye bye.